Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Minecraft Pocket Edition version matches the Worldedit add-on. Compatibility avoids crashes. Next, install the add-on using your device's supported installer and enable it inside the world's behavior/resource packs. Make sure you are an operator in that world so commands work. Once done, relaunch the world and test a simple command like //wand to verify the tool appears in your inventory. If it does, you're ready to select. You should now practice selecting. Use //wand to receive the selection tool, then tap to mark two opposite corners. If you need precision, type //pos1 and //pos2 with coordinates or nudge points by tapping again. Once selected, use //set to change the area to a block type and //replace to swap blocks. This prevents accidental large changes. Then try //copy and //paste to move structures. Make sure to work on a small area first, so you learn how rotation and pivot behave. You finish by applying advanced transforms. Position your copy, set a pivot point, then use //rotate or //flip to orient it, and //stack to repeat patterns quickly. Always save important builds with //scheme save so you can reload them later. If something goes wrong, immediately use //undo to revert and then //redo if needed. If commands fail, make sure the add-on is still enabled, you have operator permissions, and the add-on matches your game version. This preserves your world and workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.